Like you said, I'm TJ McClure. We have a family-owned operation in Johnson, Kansas. We are 2 counties. If you go 2 counties south of us, you're in the Panhandle of Texas. 17 miles west of us, you're in Colorado. So we probably represent what a lot of facilities would look like in the Texas Panhandle, southwest Kansas, and there's not many in southeast Colorado. I'll have to figure this out as we go. We're a family-owned operation. Like you said, we moved up to Kansas in 2009. I met my wife in Garden City, Kansas. She's originally from Ohio. And we've relocated down to Johnson, purchased a facility in Johnson, Kansas in 2018. And we've called it home since then. That's my wife. It's an old picture, but I like it. My children are now 11 and 7. They're on the facility with us almost every day. They're in school. Allie and I both manage the facility. She takes care of the inside work, and I do most of the outside. Okay, so why Kansas? Kansas is a good place to raise livestock. There's plenty of feed availability, and that's kind of what put us up there. The silages and the center pivots. Some challenges with that is Kansas right now, like a lot of places, is the water availability. So we have to be careful on that. A lot of farmers are changing over to triticale silages, sorghum silages, and corn silage. But we'll feed some corn silage, but most of our feed is going to come from plants that don't require as much water. The mild climate, our average high in the summertime, we're in the high plains, and so our average high is about 83. In the wintertime, our average low is 32, and our climate, as far as rainfall, will range from 12 to 16 inches. However, last year we received about 9. And we're a mostly rural population. So we don't have very many complaints. We don't fight the same problems that Wisconsin or California will fight, but that also leads to some labor issues. For us personally in Johnson, we're 75 miles from the nearest Walmart. Our county has about 1,400 people, one county school, so housing and other things rurally is a challenge for us as far as labor. I don't know if I can pause this. We'll just let this play. So this feed yard was actually a beef grower yard at one time. We're all open lot, and this is kind of an expansion that we did. This is our breeding, where all of our breeding animal goes, bigger animals go. One thing to notice is the blue stock tanks. I don't know if a lot of people are using those. They're a water efficient stock tank. They're called Pride of the Farm. We switched over to pretty much the whole feed yard to those. They don't have overflows. They're just insulated. We've had up to 15 below zero and negative wind chills, and none of the tanks froze up. However, the lids will freeze up, so you got to go beat them with a hammer. But we're all open lot. A lot of places in Kansas are open lot like this because we don't receive very much rainfall. There are some that have set up more like a dairy. Our facilities, actually, we have feed bunks instead of feeding lanes. It's a little bit different, but it's just when we did our expansion, it was per head cost to pour that much concrete was enough that we decided to go with the bunk system. It's a dairy bunk. I don't know, maybe the next slideshow. So this is kind of the older part of the feed yard, and you'll see a feed bunk here, but it's a wider feed bunk, so they can't do the kick out with it. But we don't have any push-ups or anything. Everything's fed in a bunk similar to that. A lot of our facility will have just a pipe rail. We do have headlocks, several headlocks for breeding, but it's a kind of like a feed yard would be. One thing that we've incorporated, we don't have a big fancy commodity barn yet, as we just purchased this facility 3 years ago. We went with a stationary mixer. The stationary mixer we put in about a year and a half ago now. and it's led us to feed the feed yard with one feed truck, a delivery wagon, and it'll mix about 32,000 pounds of feed. And if that's too much for our delivery, we'll do split loads with it. But it's really brought a lot of efficiency to us. We feed the whole feed yard with a guy running commodities, one guy running the loader, and one guy running a feed truck. But when we had our wagons, or we had actually trucks with Supreme mixers or a Laird mixer, we were constantly waiting on each other, other things. But I don't know, I'm thinking fuel efficiency, as far as wear and tear on the trucks and other things. We're probably paying our payments on the stationary. And we thought we'd save a little bit more labor on this by eliminating a feed truck driver, but we haven't. We've just put one guy full-time hauling commodities and rotated days off a little more. But that's our delivery wagon. I would say when we put this in, I don't know if anybody'd be looking at putting one in, but make sure you have enough electricity to your place. We have a feed mill there, but it did not have enough electricity, and to run another line in and get everything going was a lot more expensive than we anticipated. However, I think with the efficiencies that it brings, it's going to pay for itself. Is there any questions right now? I guess I can go back and forth, or however, I'm going to get done pretty fast.
You have, Jesse, see on some of the bunks, you put the headlocks over the bunk? With the feed bunk?
Okay, Kendall asked if we put the headlocks on the feed bunk. No, we do not. We have a 2 7/8 pipe that's 3 foot in the ground, and the stanchion will be connected to that pipe and rail system.
But it's setting over the bunks on some of them or not?
Yeah, it's setting right there flush with the top of the bunk, but it's offset back.
Are they still able to reach all the way to the bunk then?
Yes, they can reach all the way in the bunk. I didn't know there was sound with it, but that's okay. Some feed yards in our area or other places will be horseback or four-wheelers, a lot of stuff like that. We don't allow those. I found out that most of our men do have testosterone, and they try to max those things out. So we have some governed side-by-sides that they can go from place to place or push cattle with, but all of our pens are walked. We have 2 guys that are in charge of the health, and they'll walk every pen. The big cattle, they get walked once a day. The little cattle, they'll go through morning and evening. But we pull everything on foot, and we do move cattle with governed side-by-sides, but that's about it. And as far as hot shots are concerned, they'll be available if we have something that needs to be pushed on the truck that won't load. But other than that, we don't use anything like that. So it's kind of, I guess one of our guys, they figured out that like a Sidectin jug with rocks in it and shaking that, and it kind of gets them out of the pen. But other than that, we kind of everything's on foot at our place, which is different in some places in the Texas Panhandle and that area. Our breeding program, so we have pretty good protocols in that. I was able to, when we first moved to Kansas, meet up with, when we started in Kansas, there was 2 heifer development facilities there, believe it or not. There was Circle Bar, which is Vance Kells and his family that are about 45 miles from us, and there was ourselves, and that was it. And in southwest Kansas today, probably any feed yard that would be under the capacity of 20,000 head has been purchased and now is a heifer development facility. I'm not for sure on the number of heifers there, but in 2009, there was, I don't know, Colton's here somewhere, but Fulmer was probably 7,000 head calf ranch. And there was another calf ranch that was just going strictly to a feed yard and us. So we kind of had to figure things out the hard way. a little bit with the protocols, but we worked with Alta Genetics when we first started there. So our breeding program is pretty simple. The cattle go into the breeding pens. They get a shot of prostaglandin. They'll move in on Thursday. The following Monday, they get a shot of prostaglandin. 2 weeks later, if they haven't been bred yet, they get another shot of prostaglandin. And the next week, if they still haven't been bred yet, they'll get a cedar, and the cedar will be pulled in their time AI'd. And I would say 100% of the animals at our facility will have semen in them within the first 28 days. Most of them, about 65% get bred off of the first prostaglandin shot in that 2 weeks. But we do use cedars. But we found that works for us. Our conception rate, depending on the customer and what semen that we're using, but we're averaging about 55% using 2 to 3 services of sex semen. We've expanded a little bit into embryos. It's mainly we kind of have our own beef herd, so we've expanded trying to get protocols together on that and teamed up with Transova. I don't know that it'll be anything that, I don't know if dairies will be putting embryos into some of their lower genomic heifers or not in the future. But it's something we're looking at just in case anybody wants to do that. So we'll be set up for it. I don't know, in 2009, sex semen, or 2007 when I started in this, sex semen was first coming out, and people were for it and against it. And today we're using 2 to 3 services and it's business norm. So I think in the next 20 years, we might be using a lot more embryos. So we're just trying to get on the front end of that to get with protocols. And I guess learning with the beef herd before we try to market it to the dairies. Our vet checks, Kendall, you might can see that it just kind of sits right at the top of the bunk there. Our vet checks we do every Monday, and we do vet check, and we also that's also when we do our shot protocols for breeding. We, about 2 years ago, we went all in-house with our own breeder. We've used several breeding companies, and it used to be cheaper to outsource. However, we did find over the past 4 and 5 years that our facility was kind of being used for a training ground, and we would look at the conception rates and the number of breeders. So nothing against the semen companies, but we switched once because we had about 20 breeders in 1 year. And we were fighting a little bit on conception rates. And then we were using another company, and they upped the price where I thought we could go in-house, become more efficient, hire a breeder that was going to be there every day. We do have a relief breeder 5 days out of the month, but our conception rates have risen 5% since we went all in-house. And I don't think that any of the semen companies aren't capable of it. It's just that we found that the consistency of having our own breeder and working with them and having one that spoke English that could communicate with our vet and us worked better for us. Yes. Oh, that's a good question. So, yes. So we have, if animals don't lock up, we have what's called a hard breeder pen, and we move them they're not really hard breeders, but they just won't lock up, so that's what we call it. So we move them to a pen in the feed yard, and outside of that pen, we have a rail system. So we'll put them in there, and it's about 3 foot long, and they can just kind of turn in there, and we'll breed them through a rail. But yeah, you're right. I mean, there's at least 2 to 3% of animals that won't lock up, even though we do leave them in the trainers for 45 to 60 days. Is that how you handle yours too, Jamie?
Yeah, pretty much. We kind of give up on some of them. Some of our dairies just sell the no lockers. We don't want them, but.
Yeah, I mean, if we have one that's absolutely skinny or that won't lock up or that we can look that says, oh, she's not locking, I mean, we will sell some of those. I mean, she's not going to be profitable for us or the dairy, but we try to at least give them a chance. But yeah, we do have one pen, and I don't know how many cattle are in there. It ranges from 45 to 65. But we keep them in there and just try to breed them the best we can. Any other questions? Yes, sir.
DJ, do you guys, what's your protocol as far as how old when you can start breeding them? Is it dependent for each client?
Oh. Okay, the question
Sí, la
was, how's our
pregunta
program as far
fue
as when
en nuestro
animals are
programa cómo
entered
es
into
cuando
the
los
AI pen?
animales están
That depends on customer.
en
We
el
have
corral de
one
inteligencia
customer that is
artificial.
very big on
Depende
weights,
de los
and
clientes. Y
we started with doing this
nosotros
about a year and a half
empezamos
ago,
haciendo
maybe 2
esto
years
hace
ago,
como un año y medio,
where
tal
they
vez
weigh
como
their
2
calves
años,
twice
y
before
ellos
we
estaban
receive
con
them.
sus
We
becerros
weigh them again
2
at
veces
pre-breeding,
y
and
después de
Dairy
nuevo
Comp
los llevábamos
comes
en
up with an average
la
daily gain for
precrianza,
those
entonces
animals,
tenían la ganancia diaria
and they want
promedio
them
para
bred
estos
at
animales,
850
y ellos
pounds,
querían que a los
and they don't care
850
about
libras
the age at
los
all.
apareáramos. No les
Now,
importaba
once
la
they
edad,
get to,
solamente el número de
I'll have to think
libras.
about the protocol, but I think
Y
once they get to like 400
entonces,
days or
una vez
420
que ya
days,
llegaban a
they
los
go ahead and move in
400 o
anyways,
los
just on days.
420 días,
So we could be breeding an
nosotros
11-month-old
podríamos
heifer.
estar
It just depends on
criando
the average daily
una
gain.
vaquilla de 11
And
meses de edad,
interesting with that,
dependiendo.
there's some
Pero lo
calves
interesante de
with
esto es
with
que
that particular
había
farm were
algunas
pretty aggressive.
becerras.
They
Con esa
have
granja en
they want
particular,
their
nosotros
animals
fuimos
to
bastante
gain
agresivos
2.1
porque querían
average per day.
que sus
So we
animales
push them on
ganaran
the dry matter a little bit
2.1
more
en
to get that.
promedio, entonces nosotros
But
los
interestingly enough, the conception
incrementamos
rate's been
más
really good with that.
y la concepción estaba
So
bastante buena.
that's one point of view
Yo
on
creo
it,
que
and
este es
they
un punto de
say
vista del que
when they
podemos
calve,
hablar, y dijeron
everything
que
goes home
cuando
exactly the same. It's just
todo
consistent,
funcionaba
and
perfectamente
they've
con
been
este
having
mismo
better luck with
sistema,
with their retaining
y
heifers after 2
ellos
years
estaban teniendo
and
a las
everything
vaquillas
just by going
después
by
de
the
2
weight.
años.
We have other guys that
Y nosotros teníamos
they
otras
monitor us pretty
personas
hard by
que
watching
nos
how old they are,
monitoreaban
how
bastante
many
fuerte
days
para
until
saber
first breeding.
cuántos días
So
tenían hasta la
I'd say the
primera
youngest, we saw a trend
crianza.
5 years ago
Y
where people wanted bred
hace
younger and
5
younger.
años,
So we
cuando
went down as
querían
far as
cada vez
365 with
más
some of our dairies.
jóvenes, nosotros
Now,
fuimos hasta
most of our dairies are
365, y
385
la
to
mayoría
390 moving in,
de
and they're
nuestras
getting their first
explotaciones lecheras son
AI
de
before their between
365,
400 and 405 days.
de 400 o 405
It
días. Por lo
varies between clients.
tanto, varía bastante entre los clientes, dependiendo del tipo
Any
de
other questions on
explotación.
the
No sé si
breeding
tengan
things?
más preguntas al respecto.
Most of our customers are happy with the 2 pounds.
La mayoría de nuestros clientes están muy
2 pounds a head a
felices
day. It also
con
used to be, that's another trend
esto.
that I've seen, maybe some other guys might
Tal vez yo he visto
can elaborate as
algunos
well.
que pueden
I would say 10 years
funcionar
ago,
muy
everybody
bien,
was
pero
happy
yo
with
diría
1.8
que hace
pounds
como
gained a
10
day.
años
And now
estaban muy
everybody wants us to
contentos
lower
con
our
8,
cost to do
pero
2
ahora
pounds a day.
nosotros quieren que ya tengamos hasta
But
2 al
it's,
día.
I don't think that trend's going away. I think
Pero
it
yo
has
creo
to
que
do
esta
with
tendencia no va a
the size of the
desaparecer.
animal. I
Yo
mean,
creo que tiene que ver con el
1,250
tamaño del
pounds.
animal,
Springers were plenty acceptable then,
1,250
and
libras,
most of our customers now
y la
are
mayoría de nuestros
probably
clientes
our
ahora
customer with the smallest cattle.
son
goes out
los que
between
tienen el
1,280 and
ganado más
1,300, but we
pequeño
do have
en
some
1,300,
that are
pero
going out
sí
around
tenemos
that
algunos
1,350
que
to
ya están
1,400
saliendo
pounds.
con
that
este
trend
tipo
and
de
the age of
350 o
breeding
de
has
400.
changed a lot.
Y sí,
over the
la
past,
edad de
I'd
crianza
say 10
ha
years.
cambiado muchísimo. Yo digo que 10 años.
Told you it'd be fast, so I don't have the cool drones and everything like the guy before me did.
Sí, no, yo no tengo todos los tambores que la persona que estaba antes
Jenny,
de
go ahead.
mí, pero Jenny, sí, adelante.
Oh, that's a good question.
Es
So,
una muy buena pregunta.
We have
Entonces,
4 rations in the computer.
tenemos
We
4
have one calf ranch we
raciones en
receive
la
from that they never
computadora.
get ensiled feed before
Ellos
they come to
nunca
us.
tienen
So we
ese
have
alimento ensilado
just a
antes de que
transition
fueran como
ration,
nosotros. Entonces
for
nosotros
them to
tenemos
get
que
them
tener una
kinda
ración de
started
transición para que le pudieran dar el
ensiled feed.
inicio.
But after that, we have 3
Pero
rations. We
después de
have,
esto,
well, actually
nosotros
4.
tenemos 3
We have,
raciones.
then
Y
our other receiving ration will leave on for about 30 days. bring high
eran
energy,
como
get some-
30
get
días.
some going. Then we have a ration
Y
from about 500 to maybe 600.
no sé, tenían
ration
de
two.
500 a
Then
600,
we have a
estas eran
pre-breeding
las raciones, y
ration, and we
también
also
teníamos
run
unas
that as
raciones
they're breeding, and then once they're pregnant,
que
we have a
una
ration
vez
that
que
just
ya
kind of
quedaban gestantes,
maintains
nosotros
growth.
tenemos esta ración para poder mantener las cosas así.
So most of the animals are
Así
on
que la
our 3
mayoría
and
de
4
los
ration,
animales
majority of the time
tienen
they're
como
there.
4
I guess
raciones
we
la
have 5
mayoría de las
rations,
veces.
we
Yo
do
creo que
have one that
tenemos
we do need
5.
to- They'll just stare at the feed bunk otherwise. Nutritionally,
Con respecto a la
so that's another
nutrición,
question on
bueno,
that,
pues
Jenny.
esta es
So on our
otra
new calves,
pregunta, Jenny.
the-
Así
we-
que
we
con
have
las
corn silage,
nuevas
so the 1 and 2 ration gets heavy
becerras,
corn
nosotros
silage.
tuvimos un ensilado de
In
maíz.
our part of the world, we've
En
moved
nuestra
to a lot of
parte del mundo
triticale.
nosotros tenemos que hacerlo
And the
de un tipo
triticale
bastante
research has went a
neutral
lot more for tons
y esta
as far as for the
investigación
farmers.
tiene
But
que ver
we
con
found that the
respecto a los
protein was
granjeros, pero
better
nosotros
about 7
encontramos
years
que la
ago,
proteína era mejor
even when we cut it
hace
early.
como 7
So,
años.
I mean, triticale silage is
Y
probably what
bueno,
most
con
of the
estos
farmers in our area
ensilados
like
tal
to
vez
sell
los
to us,
granjeros
but it's probably our most
eh,
expensive silage when you look at
pueden
it
tener un
as far as
ensilado
the
muchísimo
nutritional
más
value.
caro con respecto a su
So,
valor
and sorghum
nutricional.
silage is the other one that will feed to
Entonces,
the
el
bigger cattle,
ensilado
and
de
it's about,
sorgo
I would say
también
it's
es
75 to
lo que
80%
nosotros
value of
estamos
corn.
teniendo con un
So our bigger animals do
75%. Así
get
que
triticale silage, which
nuestros
sometimes
animales
it's depending on the farmer we get it from, it tests a little bit better than straw.
dependen
And some of them are going to be
y algunos de ellos
probably about 50% of what corn silage
tal vez tienen un
as far as if you
50%
look at
del
HE&E.
ensilado de maíz.
You had mentioned that you get calves in that have not seen fermented feed.
Entonces, esto tiene que ver, ¿cuál es su experiencia con respecto a la mejor forma de que inicien? ¿Qué hacen de diferente con
So
esta?
when it depends, right now,
Bueno,
depending
pues actualmente
on the commodities that we can get at an affordable
de las
price.
instalaciones que
So
tenemos con estos
we'll feed a lot of
precios, sin
distillers. We did
embargo,
have a lot of
nosotros
flake
tenemos
corn at
muchas
one time, so flake corn
destiladoras,
distillers, and then we'll introduce a little bit of corn silage in there.
es un poco de ensilado de
And,
maíz
and we
ahí.
have Bermuda hay.
Y nosotros
that we
tenemos
set
pasto
aside
de
just for that.
Bermuda
So it's
que
kind of
solamente apartamos para esto.
just
Entonces es
transition on
como
that and just try to get them to
una
eat.
transición.
They
Nosotros
start out a
tratamos
lot
de
slower as
que
far as dry matters.
se
We try not
inicien
to
un poco
panic,
más
but
lento con
after about
respecto a
the
la
first 5
materia
days,
seca,
we'll see
pues
their
nos
dry matter
apanicamos.
start
Pero
increasing
los
a
primeros
half
5
pound,
días si vemos que la
or not
materia
their dry
seca
matter, their,
empieza a incrementar y
the amount that they're getting fed will
la
increase
cantidad
quite
que se le
rapidly,
está
but yeah, it's a
alimentando.
challenge.
Entonces, sí, esto es un desafío
So
bastante,
I don't
bastante
know that we have any
grande.
secrets to it,
Yo no sé
but
si tengamos algún
it's a
secreto
challenge
a
to
este
get 'em-
respecto,
to
pero
get 'em
sí
started.
es un desafío que puedan iniciar.
Does anybody else have any
No sé
cattle that don't get rough or don't get silages before they?
si alguien
We'd be
tenga
open
algún
to it.
ganado
It's
que no
hard for
tenga
us to
ensilado,
answer.
sí estaríamos abiertos a intentarlo. Para incorporarlo un poco.
Yeah, we do have an
Sí,
arrival ration,
nosotros tenemos una
with a lot of my
ración
clients, where
cuando ellos
when they come
llegan.
from the calf ranch, they're not on.
Cuando llegan
any
ellos
fermented feeds
del
at that point.
rancho, bueno, pues
So
nosotros
we'll
les
introduce a little
alimentamos
bit
un
and just kind of
poquito
ease
con
them
ese
into it,
ensilado
and then we can
y
go a
también
lot
los
more
vamos
aggressive.
guiando
So
ya
you keep on them
después.
for about 14 to 21 days.
Desde
Yeah.
14 hasta los
Yeah.
21 días es así como
3,
los
4
mantenemos.
weeks,
Sí,
and then they'll roll right into the program.
3 o 4 semanas más o menos
Yep, so that's what we do
con
the same
esa
on that.
dieta.
And
Así
we'll
es
look
lo
at
que
the,
nosotros hicimos.
when we roll them over to our ration
Y
one,
cuando los
it's all
pasamos a
about
la
consumption.
ración
So
1,
they could be
todo
on it
tiene
for
que
2
ver con
weeks,
el
they could be
consumo.
on it
Entonces, sí
sometimes for a
pueden
month. But once they
estar
get to 8
aquí
to
hasta
10
que
pounds of
llegamos,
dry
digamos,
matter
a
per head,
8
then
a
we'll switch them
10
over to our
libras de
ration
materia
one.
seca.
And they generally take off pretty
Y
good.
generalmente inician
We've noticed the same
bastante
thing on
bien.
health when we get in. If,
Entonces,
usually we won't have a health break until about
generalmente
day 18 to 28.
hasta el día
So we
18,
try
hasta el día 28,
hard not to
nosotros
change
tratamos
our
muy
one ration, no matter
fuertemente
what they're
de
eating,
no
until
cambiar
they've
la
been on it for about
ración
30,
sin
35
importar lo
days.
que ellos están comiendo hasta
After
los
that,
30 o
day 18 to
35 días.
24
Pero
days is
después
when
de esto de
cattle
18 a
usually will break or
24
we'll doctor them a
es
lot.
cuando
Our first
el
shot's
ganado
Draxxin,
generalmente ya recibe la
I don't know
primera
what the sponsors are,
inyección.
but you can get Draxxin pretty,
Y sí,
pretty
podemos tener
a
Draxxina
lot more cost efficient than you could
de
about
una
5
manera
years
más
ago.
costo
So
eficaz.
we do go with Tolive. It's a little bit cheaper as
Entonces,
a lead off, and then we follow
esto
with
es un
Baytril.
poco más barato.
Our response has been
Es
pretty
una
good.
opción cuya respuesta
we're
nos ha
not
funcionado
miracle
bastante
workers,
bien.
so
Obviamente
we've worked
no
hard
es
with a
un
lot of our calf
milagro, pero
ranches. It used
sí
to be
nosotros hemos
calf
trabajado con
ranches kind of took a
muchos de
paradigm
los
switch for
ranchos
us,
de
so we tried to work
becerros que
together
eran
with
como un
them.
paradigma para nosotros.
But a lot of
Estuvimos
calf ranches
tratando
in
de
our
trabajar
area
con
where
ellos,
we're
pero
getting them from
muchos
got
de los
paid,
que tenemos en nuestra área
depending on what went
se
out
les
of the calf
pagó
ranch.
dependiendo de lo
So
que
I've
nosotros
had to
pudiéramos
work with the
sacar de
calf
estos
ranches and
ranchos.
dairies to try to
Entonces,
figure out a program where if
tratamos
they've
de
been treated
continuar con un
2, 3,
programa
4
donde ellos
times,
se
just to
trataban 2, 3,
split the
4
cost with the
veces
dairy, try to
incluso
get that
para
back. And
dividir los costos de la
some of
explotación lechera
some
y
of our cattle will
algunos
come as far as 24
de
hours
nuestro
away.
ganado llegaba
So you put
hasta
a compromise
24
with one
horas
calf on it,
después.
we
Entonces
can't,
nosotros
we
tenemos
can't
que
fix it. It is,
comprometernos con esto, pero pues no,
that
no
just adds
podemos
another $50,
arreglarlo
$60
porque no
worth of
somos
transport that the dairy
trabajadores
doesn't need to
milagrosos.
sustain. So
Entonces, pues
I think the calf
yo
ranches,
creo que
you
estos
guys probably know more than I am, but
ranchos,
there's
tal
been a
vez
paradigm
ustedes
shift
sepan
on,
más que yo,
on,
pero sí ha
on
habido un
the calf
cambio en
ranches
paradigma
of
con
being more
estos
conscious about
ranchos para que sean más
sending us
conscientes
healthier cattle than rather than just getting
y
paid by the
nos
cattle feed
envíen
facility.
ganado un poco más sano, ¿no?
It was a tough conversation. There was a lot of
Sí,
finger
son
pointing when that
conversaciones
happened,
bastante
but I
difíciles que
think we
hemos
all work
tenido.
together. It's always
Pero si
uncomfortable.
todos trabajamos juntos, bueno, pues podemos llegar a tener un poco de mejores acuerdos.
Our nutritionist probably, he does mostly
Nuestro
dairy work, so our
nutriólogo es el
nutrition
que
group's out of
hace
Amarillo,
la gran
Texas.
parte del trabajo, está en
They
Amarillo,
travel
Texas.
a lot in Kansas,
Ellos
Colorado,
viajan
Texas,
mucho
kind of
entre
all over. So
Kansas, Colorado,
they've been
Texas,
good to
por
us because
todo.
they
Han sido
kind
bastante
of know the
buenos con
feedstuffs, help
nosotros
us a little
porque
bit with
sí
some commodity
conocen
purchases.
exactamente
We're rural
los
enough
alimentos y
where
nos
you would
aconsejan
think
qué es
that
lo que
distillers'
debemos
grain
comprar.
would be
Nosotros pensaríamos que los granos de
a little bit more
destilería
affordable, but then I talked to other
podrían
producers
ser un
around
poco más fáciles
the
de
nation,
pagar,
and
pero
our distillers' grain is not
los
the
granos de
same price as they
destilería
can
ya
pay in
hemos visto
Iowa
que no
or
tienen el mismo precio
other
que se paga
places.
en
So,
Iowa o en otros
but we
lugares.
switched over to
Entonces,
dried
pues sí,
distillers.
cambiamos a
There's
los
two
granos de
distillers plants, one in
destilería
Garden City,
y a
Kansas, which is
unas
about 75 miles away,
plantas
and
que
one in Liberal,
estuvieron, por
Kansas.
ejemplo, en Kansas.
But when the
Y
basis kind of went haywire in our area about
bueno,
3
esto
years
es lo que
ago,
nosotros vimos en nuestra área hace como
the
unos
Texas
3
boys
años.
in the feed yards came up,
En
and we
Texas,
switched over to dried distillers and can't get back in the wet
nosotros
distillers
fuimos
market.
a los
But
granos
most of our
de
dried distillers
destilería
does come to us from
en el
Nebraska,
mercado de
so
Texas, pero la mayoría de los que recibimos vienen de Nebraska, así
we
que
like the
pues
wet
no sé,
distillers, but
nos gustan
basis hit,
los
I mean, we had
granos
a
de
pretty high
destilería,
basis there
pero
for a
sí
while,
es
and,
bastante
just
más
became
caro.
unaffordable for us as
Entonces,
far as
para nosotros ya
when
se
you looked at
volvió
it on the dry matter basis.
muy difícil de pagarlos con respecto a la obtención de materia seca.
Yes, sir.
Sí, señor.
Okay, that's a good question.
Sí, es una
Most
buena
of our
pregunta.
silages are
La
purchased
mayoría de
from,
nuestros ensilados
the
los
question was, do we
compramos.
raise
La
our crops or do
pregunta
we
es si
purchase most of our
nosotros
silages? Most
compramos
of our
la mayoría
silages are
del
purchased.
ensilado. No, la mayoría del
Um,
ensilado lo
we have-
compramos.
We'll purchase it on the ton, and we pay all the chopping,
Bueno,
the transport
pagamos
cost to our facility,
todos los costos de
packing,
transporte
everything.
hasta
So,
nuestras
with the farmers, we
instalaciones,
have
el
an agreement
empacado,
on
etcétera. Con los granjeros tenemos un
an
acuerdo
formula based on the
con
tons of
respecto
feed
a la
that come off
fórmula y
the-
con
off the
base en el
field.
tipo de alimento que ellos saquen del campo.
But it can vary. I mean,
Pero varía
we try
bastante.
to
Nosotros
We try to base it off of the
intentamos
Chicago Board of Trade rather than our local market.
hacerlo
So,
con el
in the
mercado
past few
local
years, we've increased
y
a little bit of what
Chicago,
we'll
pero
pay
en el
per-
pasado
on
se
the
incrementó un poco más de
say
lo que
it's-
nosotros
let's
pagábamos,
just say
entonces
for
ya no era tan
corn silage, it was
asequible
9 times
con
the-
respecto, por ejemplo, al ensilado de
Chicago
maíz
Board.
era
It
9
might go 9
veces
and a quarter
mayor
times the Chicago Board to
que
help with
el
the
Consejo
local
de
basis.
Chicago.
Our
Entonces
basis is
hablamos
always
con ellos
in
para
the-
nuestras
in
bases
Southwest
locales
Kansas, we
y,
have
por
a-
ejemplo, en el
used
suroeste
to be
de
45
Kansas
cents,
éramos
positive basis.
45 con
But
base
as the
positiva,
water
pero
issues
con
and other
respecto a
things
los
have came
problemas
into
de
Texas,
agua
we
y
don't
otras
have as much
cosas que
water as we
llegaron a
used to.
Texas que ya no tenemos tanta
The
agua,
basis in our
pues
area will
entonces
range
en
from
nuestra área
80
podía
cents to
variar de
$1.25
80 centavos hasta un dólar
what the
25
board is.
por
on a local
encima
basis.
del Consejo de Chicago con respecto a las bases locales.
That's a good question.
Sí,
Question was,
también
were
es
we
una
at
buena
35 or
pregunta.
32%
Sí, es
dry
un
matter?
35
That
o
depends on the silage.
32% de materia
For
seca. Eso
triticale
depende
silage,
del
we're at 35,
ensilado.
for sorghum silage,
Por
and
ejemplo, para la de
for,
sorgo era
corn silage,
35
we're
y
at
para la
32.
de
And I'm kind of a
maíz
nerd
era
when
de
it comes to
32. Y yo soy como un
silages. I'll take a
ñoño
sample
cuando
every 30
tengo que
minutes.
hablar de
And when I take a
ensilados.
sample, I try to
Tomo
take it
una
off about 5
muestra y ya
trucks,
cuando tomo una
you know,
muestra la
a
quiero
nice
tomar
little
de
handful.
5 camiones.
And so off of
Y
every field, we'll have about 30 samples.
en cada campo nosotros ya
And then
tomamos como
the dry
30
matter's figured
muestras
off
y
of, we'll-
la
at that point,
materia
we'll either send
seca
it
en
to
ese
Servitec
punto
or Dairyland
nosotros
Labs,
creemos que
and then we
la
have a
llevamos a
cluster
todos los
tester.
laboratorios,
So,
entonces tenemos una
I'm
prueba en
of
cada
the
uno de ellos.
philosophy that if
La
you're gonna
verdad,
spend
yo
$1
tengo
million
la
bucks for a
filosofía de que
silage
si vamos a
gotta know
invertir
what's in it,
como 1 millón
not
para el
what's coming
ensilado,
out of it,
tenemos que
and
saber
which
exactamente qué es lo que
nutrition
tiene
this
adentro y no lo que
So,
está saliendo.
I'm kind of a nerd about
Yo soy
that,
bastante
but
ñoño a ese
our
respecto,
moisture is pretty
entonces
accurate with testing
nuestra
like that.
humedad es
And we
bastante
do have an
precisa
adjustment,
con esa medida y
so
sí hicimos
the
un
adjustment
ajuste,
factor,
el factor de ajuste,
do you remember what that is,
no
Ally?
sé si se acuerdan cuál fue.
Yeah, it
Ale.
depends on the silage.
Depende,
But we'll
depende del
adjust if it's a
ensilado, pero nosotros
72%,
lo
or some will come
ajustamos
off if it's
hasta
at
un
66%, the farmer gets paid a
72%,
little bit more. We're pretty fair with it
66%
when
más
it
o
comes
menos,
to
pero somos
the
bastante
moisture on
justos cuando,
or the dry matter on the silage is a
cuando
good
se
question.
trata de la humedad.
Yeah, so like
Sí.
the kernel, like a KP it.
Como en KPI,
That depends on the chopper. I know all of our
depende.
corn silage we
Yo
KP
sé
all
que
of
de
it. We pay a little
todo
bit more
el
to the
ensilado
chopper
de
to have the
maíz
kernel
tiene que ver más bien
processing.
con la cortadora,
On
con
the
la
sorghum silage, we just
trituradora y
try
con
to tell them
respecto
to
al
get as
ensilado de
tight as they
sorgo,
can,
pues
with it.
nosotros
So I
tratamos
wouldn't
de
say it's,
tenerlo
I
mejor.
wouldn't say the
Yo
kernels are processed
diría
as good as on
que
corn
el
silage, but
proceso es
yeah,
bastante bueno,
we try
casi
to
tan bueno como
try to
el del
have it
ensilado
processed
de
the best
maíz,
we
pero
can.
sí tenemos que tener, o tratamos más bien de tener el mejor proceso que se puede.
Our furthest field is
Pues para este
probably,
campo, yo creo que tal
well, I guess
vez
it's an interesting dynamic because when
es
we
una
first moved
dinámica muy
to
interesante porque
Johnson,
cuando primero
we
pasamos
had a little bit
hacia
of trouble.
Johnson, nosotros tuvimos un problema
It's like any small town.
como en
You have
cualquier
to,
pueblito
everybody stares at you to figure
donde
out who you
todos se
are
te
and make sure
quedan
they can trust you. So we
viendo
had a little bit of
y
trouble.
saben que
The
pueden
first 2 years
tener
getting some
confianza en
silage
ti.
going.
Entonces los
So we'll
primeros
put up
2
corn
años sí
silage
tuvimos
from
un
a
cierto
farmer that's
problema.
about 30 miles away from
Entonces
us,
compramos un
there's
ensilado
scales
de
there.
maíz de un granjero
So
que
our
está
corn
como a
silage is
30
traveling at about
millas
30 miles,
y
or some of it is.
pues sí,
And as we
algunos
get more local, our
cuando
local
ya nos
guys, we
volvimos
have
más
as
locales o
close to a
cuando
quarter mile
compramos con
away,
gente más local,
and as far away as
estuvo
about
como a
14
un
miles.
cuarto de
So,
milla y lo
but
más
in
lejos fueron
southwest Kansas, you
14
will see
millas,
if you
pero en el
drive through there,
suroeste de
there's
Kansas,
silage piles
si
kind of in the
ustedes
middle of
manejan por
nowhere
ahí, van
with
a ver
scales, and that's what it is. A
pilas
lot
de
of the dairies
ensilado
in that
en
area
el medio de la nada.
are hauling silage.
Y sí,
So it's a little bit non-traditional.
es un poco
And it also
no
helps with,
tradicional y también les ayuda o nos
if we do have a
ayuda
drought or like
si
9
nosotros
inches of
tenemos
rain,
una sequía o 9
and the
pulgadas de
wells are
lluvia nada
200
más.
gallon a minute wells,
Los
and they,
pozos
so
están
you only
como
get
a
a half a
200
circle of
millas,
corn silage
entonces
when you thought
es
you'd have
un
a full
ensilado de
circle.
maíz de
So it spreads us out a little bit, but
medio
I'd prefer
círculo en
not to
lugar de
haul.
tener un
It's
círculo
expensive.
completo. Y yo creo que
But
pues sí
it's what
sale
we've had to do
bastante
to
caro,
sustain
pero
our
es lo que
business model.
tuvimos que hacer. Eso tuvimos que hacer.
We're also highly competitive in our area.
Y también
So,
tuvimos un punto más competitivo en
there's,
nuestra área.
let's see, probably 5
Digamos,
dairies within
tal vez
5 miles
5
of us.
explotaciones
And
lecheras
there's
con 5
within
millas de
7 miles of us is
separación
another
y a
heifer
7
raiser.
millas de las nuestras también
And 10
había
miles
criadores de
the other
vaquillas
direction's another heifer
y
raiser.
10 millas
So
hacia
we don't
otra
have very many
dirección
feed
otro
yards left in our
criador de
county.
vaquilla,
All the
entonces
feed yards are
casi
now calf
ya no
ranches except for one.
tenemos,
So the competition for feed is
bueno,
pretty
la
fierce.
competencia de
We
alimento
try not to get in a bidding
es
war. We
bastante
try to
feroz.
have a good
Entonces,
partnership, but,
pues tratamos de tener una
so that's another reason
sociedad.
we haul a little bit further. I would prefer to haul
Yo
no further
creo
than 10
que
miles, but that's
pues
just not the case.
no tenemos que llegar a más de 10 millas a la redonda.
Yeah, so the question was how many employees
La
do we have?
pregunta es
We have
cuántos
12 full-time
empleados tenemos.
employees.
Tenemos 12
Labor is,
empleados de tiempo completo.
is
La
a
mano
huge
de
issue
obra
in
es
our
un
area.
problema bastante grave en nuestra área.
Our county probably has about 1,400 people.
Nuestro condado tiene nada más
It
como
also has a
1,400
hospital.
personas.
County, I mean, it's
Hay
the-
un
it's-
hospital del condado.
Everything's sustained there. But one thing that we
Todo
have,
es
that we're
sostenible,
fighting right now,
pero
that
lo
people
que
don't think
por lo
about
que estamos luchando
is
ahora
daycare.
es
We don't have enough daycares in our
las
community,
guarderías para
and
chiquitos.
housing is a huge issue in
Y
our
también la
community, and we
vivienda
don't
es
really
un
have the
problema
rural
bastante
development right now
grave. Entonces no
for
tenemos un
housing
desarrollo
that's
rural
affordable
ahora para las
for laborers.
viviendas y para nuestra mano
So
de obra,
it's something our county needs
para
to
que
really
nuestra
look
mano
at
de obra
is
viva por ahí.
trying to
Entonces
get
algo que
affordable
nuestro
housing,
condado está tratando de
for
lograr es tener
labor
viviendas
workers and for
asequibles
families
para
that probably
nuestros
have an income of
trabajadores
50,000 to 75,000
y no
as a
sé,
family.
de 50 a
And we have
75
a
de
housing
nuestras
shortage.
familias
We-
tienen esto. Sí
actually, my
tenemos
wife
una
was
escasez de
involved with
viviendas.
the
De hecho, mi
economic
esposa
development bill,
estuvo involucrada
and we could
con
we could
el
fill
desarrollo económico
probably
y
40
tal
to
vez
50 houses right away.
podemos
guys that travel
lograr
as
que
far,
se
and so
hagan de
we go from
40 a
Garden City,
50
Kansas to
casas.
Johnson,
Entonces nosotros
and I do have
vamos
some
de
guys that travel
Garden
as
City,
far as
Kansas
40,
a
45
Johnson
miles to work.
y nosotros tenemos que viajar de 40 a
We
45
help
millas al trabajo
stipend
todos
the
los
cost
días.
of that,
Y bueno, pues
with the
obviamente
fuel
esto
stipends and
incrementa el
different things,
costo
but
con respecto al
yeah, rurally,
combustible.
it's
Y sí, es un problema bastante grave porque la mano de obra trata de encontrar sus viviendas. Entonces, estamos tratando de ayudarles, pero tenemos ciertos problemas también de migrantes que vienen de México. Entonces, tenemos que encontrar una vivienda para ellos. Y pues hay una situación de que si los podemos mantener por 3 años, entonces ellos pueden traer a sus familias. Pero esto es muy difícil de implementar porque cuando llegan aquí no tienen nada de crédito, les tienen que dar un vehículo por, no sé, 3 meses, vivienda por 3 meses. Y es bastante difícil para nosotros poderlos mantener. Pero yo diría que en nuestra área, para Kansas, por ejemplo, con respecto al agua, de escasez de agua y la mano de obra, porque el agua, bueno, nos enseñan lo que no debemos de hacer con el agua. Nebraska, por ejemplo, el estado de Kansas está trabajando muchísimo para poder ahorrar agua y pues podemos hacer pozos, pero no podemos nada más sacar así un pozo de la nada. El agua va a ser un problema bastante grave en el suroeste de Kansas y sigue siendo, dependiendo de donde son nuestros granjeros, yo creo que sigue habiendo muchos problemas, pero yo creo que hay más pozos de 150 a 300 galones. Sí, y lo siguiente, el desafío más grande va a ser la mano de obra. Está muy lejos de mí. Ella es mi esposa. ¿Le podrían, por favor, dar un micrófono? Porque no la escucho. Gracias. Tengo alergia, no estoy enferma, así que una disculpa. Con respecto a las guarderías, es una situación problemática. Nosotros somos muy negativos en nuestras oportunidades de guarderías. Que se necesita como la mitad de las personas que quieren trabajar, las mujeres o las abuelas o las tías, etcétera, en general, que quisieran estar en nuestra fuerza de mano de obra. Estamos luchando verdaderamente con este desafío. Entonces nosotros tenemos, para poder disminuir el estrés de las mamás, para poder tener guarderías para sus hijos. Entonces yo creo que tenemos que hablar muchísimo sobre este problema que nos surge con respecto a las guarderías. Y este es otro paradigma. Hay muchas más mujeres en la fuerza de trabajo agrícola o en la mano de obra agrícola. Tenemos algunas oportunidades que se generaron hace como 6 años y las únicas que lo solicitaron fueron chicas. Obviamente, pues las contratamos. Entonces teníamos una en salud, tenemos otra que manejaba este tipo de crianzas, etcétera. Entonces sí hay muchísimas más mujeres en la fuerza laboral en Kansas. Yo no diría que más que hombres, pero sí hay muchas más de lo que hubo hace 15 o 20 años.
Sure. Yeah, we're probably going to test all of our feed. There is toxins in our area.
Hay diferentes puntos en nuestra área. He escuchado de personas que han tenido toxinas en todos sus ensilados. No los hemos probado todavía, pero una vez que ya estemos ahí, los vamos a probar para cuando les llevemos ensilados a nuestros animales, las vamos a probar, porque sí, definitivamente hay un problema en nuestra área. Entonces, según tengo entendido, nosotros tenemos que tener una ganancia diaria promedio y son estas cosas que nosotros podemos poner en la micromáquina para podernos ayudar. Yo creo que esto es constante y esto es algo que estamos pensando para el siguiente año. Sí, para que estemos todos conscientes en nuestra área a partir de entonces. ¿Tienen más preguntas sobre nutrición, sobre salud, sobre protocolos de crianza?
I said, we're open lot.
Somos un lote
Our average temperature in the
abierto. Nuestra
summertime,
temperatura promedio en el verano,
generally in the evening time, we get below 70
generalmente
degrees.
por la
So our
tarde
conception
tenemos
rate,
menos de
and we're
70
very low
grados,
humidity.
entonces nuestra tasa de
So we
concepción
found that
pues
with
sufre.
that, we
Tenemos
haven't
una
put
humedad
shades or
muy
anything in
baja
yet as our temperature does get down in the
y
60s
cuando
in the
la
evening time.
temperatura baja a menos de
Our conception rates
60,
will
bueno,
fall
pues
as
nuestra
the
tasa de
dog days of
concepción
summer start
también
October,
va a
September.
caer. Y
But, yeah,
cuando
it's
se
just
termine el verano en
all open
octubre,
lot.
septiembre, pues todo esto pues sí mejora un poco.
Sure.
Claro.
Okay, the question was about
La
training the heifers and the
pregunta
headlocks.
fue si nosotros
Okay, from some of
tenemos
our
estas
calf ranches,
vaquillas.
we'll
Bueno,
have some
desde
of the cattle we get are trained in headlocks.
lo que
And then we
nosotros
have one
recibimos
dairy
del
that doesn't
ganado
have
sí
any headlocks at all.
están.
They use everything. They breed
Nosotros
through a breeding
tenemos un
rail.
poco, por ejemplo,
All
aquí
that.
en
So,
estas
what we do is we
engordas,
do a pre-breeding
pero nosotros tenemos
vaccine at
una vacuna
320
de
to 340
precrianza de
days. So we'll bring
320 a
everything in, weigh 'em,
350 días.
and at that time period,
Y
they go
en
into what we
ese
call trainers.
lapso de
It's
tiempo,
just,
ellos van
they
a
don't
lo que
walk, it's
nosotros
just
llamamos
bars
trainers o
that they learn to pick their head, usually pick their head up,
capacitadores.
put their head in the feed bunk and pick it
Entonces ponen la
back up to back
cabeza
off. But
en
we'll leave
el
them in there from
establo y
anywhere
es
from
ahí
45
donde
to
nosotros
50
los
days.
inyectamos, pero nos esperamos de 45 a
We
50
found that
días,
you need at least 30 days.
por lo
And we'll
menos
find
30 días.
we'll find that there's some cattle that'll just stare at the trainers as well.
Y sí,
And
hay
those are
algo de
cattle that
ganado
we
que está ahí.
pretty
Este
much
es el
just put in the
ganado
cold
que
pen.
nosotros ponemos
For
aquí
whatever
en
reason, there's about 1% of
estos
heifers that are
establos,
afraid
pero
to stick their head
un
through it.
1% de nuestras
So we can
vaquillas
identify those in
tienen
the
miedo
trainers,
de
and then-
sacar sus
and then
cabezas.
there's just non-walkers in the stanchions.
Entonces, esto
About
tiene que ver
1.5%.
con las vaquillas.
Some facilities even they'll have a break
Algunas
in their
instalaciones
stanchions. We don't,
incluso
'cause
tienen
all of our-
esto en sus
our
extensiones, pero
stanchions are
nosotros
10-foot
no,
centers,
porque
and that's the same as our post are, but there are some
hay
dairies and some
algunos
heifer
explotaciones
raisers that offset a
lecheras
couple posts.
que
So
sí
it allows people,
establecen
breeders, to
un
crawl
par y
through,
permiten
the bunk or
que
into the pen, but they can also be,
lleguen
through that
al
hole.
establo y les
We
dan
don't
a
have that.
través de
If we were
este.
to- this
Nosotros
thing to learn when
no
you
lo
build a facility,
tenemos.
that
Nosotros
probably
les
would be
aplicamos cuando
different,
llegan a
a little
las
bit different next time
instalaciones
is
y
put,
tal vez lo hagamos un poco diferente la
so,
próxima vez que
crawl-through space
recibamos
through
en
that, but
estos espacios para
I'm sure everybody
poder
that's built a facility can-
lograr
that's the
que
first thing I
todos
ask when I
cuando
go tour a
lleguen a las
facility. It's a
instalaciones,
virtual
cuando
tour, which
voy,
is hard for me
yo les
to
digo,
do a virtual
bueno, este es un
tour,
tour virtual,
but I
para
always
mí
ask
es
people
algo
what they do
difícil. Él
differently,
me
'cause
preguntó qué es lo que hacían de manera
there's
diferente,
definitely things that we would change
pero sí hay
had-
cosas que
had we known
definitivamente
what we know after
sí
having a cattle facility.
cambiaríamos si lo hubiéramos sabido antes de que hubiéramos comprado estas
In
instalaciones.
our area, for us, the main thing that we need to do,
Lo principal
is
que
we have an
nosotros
open feed
necesitamos
area,
hacer, ya
and
que
we need a
tenemos
commodity
un área
farm.
de comedero
With the price of feeds right now,
abierta,
we'll have a little bit of shrink,
nosotros
especially with
tendríamos
dry
un poco
distillers
de
grain. And the winds in our
más
area,
granos de
we are
destilería, porque
blessed
los
with
vientos en
winds.
nuestra área, pues sí son bastante fuertes.
Any other questions?
¿Más preguntas?
Well, I think I
No,
finished in
bueno, pues
47
creo que
minutes, so
terminé. Me
If
faltan
you guys
algunos
have any other
minutos,
questions,
entonces si
come
tienen
catch me.
alguna otra
I'll be
pregunta,
happy
por
to visit
favor
with
vengan
anybody
conmigo y
off-
con
off
gusto
the mic as
se
well.
las resuelvo,
If you have any problems,
lejos del
visit through it.
micrófono. Si
I'd
quieren,
encourage
sin
y'all,
ningún
I mean,
problema,
I've met
yo
some
los
great friends
aliento a
here,
todos a
and
que
we can
vengan
troubleshoot.
conmigo. He tenido
I've got
bastantes
guys
amigos
from all over that
aquí
we can call and troubleshoot
y
as far as
pues
health
les puedo
problems or
ayudar en cualquier
anything like
problema
that. I mean,
que tengan para
nothing we do here
iniciar
is-
sus
I mean, we're all feeding the same
explotaciones,
roughages, the same
etcétera.
feeds,
Nosotros
the same
estamos
everything, so
con los
if you
mismos
guys have questions or are
alimentos,
struggling
con
with
los
something,
mismos
I'd
puntos.
encourage
Así
you to
que si
find
tienen algún problema,
another
alguna
heifer guy
situación
to-
que quieran
to
resolver,
talk to, and
pues vengan, o si no, me pondré en contacto con
usually
alguna
most
otra
people are pretty
persona que
helpful
críe
or to
vaquillas.
troubleshoot off.
Yo creo que la mayoría de nosotros nos podemos ayudar entre todos.
I guess I'll turn it over.
Y
Thank
con
you.
esto, bueno, pues les paso el micrófono y les agradezco muchísimo por su atención.